The Adventures of Little Bunny. Deep in the heart of the forest, Little Bunny wakes up to the chirping of birds. Little Bunny sets off on a quest to find the tastiest carrot in the entire forest. Along the way, he encounters a mischievous squirrel who challenges him to a race. Suddenly, a gentle rain begins to fall, and Little Bunny seeks shelter under a large mushroom. Under the mushroom, he meets a wise old turtle who tells him a fascinating story about the forest's history. The rain stops, and Little Bunny continues his journey, hopping over a bubbling brook. He stumbles upon a mysterious cave entrance and cautiously peers inside. Inside the cave, Little Bunny discovers glowing mushrooms and a hidden treasure chest. Excitedly, he opens the treasure chest to find it filled with shiny gemstones and ancient artifacts. As night falls, Little Bunny decides to share his newfound treasures with his friends back at the burrow. Little Bunny and his friends enjoying a cozy evening together, planning their next adventure.